Hey all, in today's video we have on the table the Gaomon S620 OSU graphics tablet. It's a very interesting budget graphics tablet. The Gaomon S620 graphics tablet comes in a compact box with a minimalist design. On the back we find briefly the technical specifications that we'll talk about later. Inside we find the link to the Gaomon website where we can download the tablet driver, and here we have a message from the Gaomon team and the product warranty. Furthermore, we have a graphics tablet that at first sight looks and feels very good. Separately, we have several pencil tips, a glove, and a user manual. We also find the USB to micro USB connection cable, the pen, two adapters, one USB Type-C and one micro USB for connecting to your phone or tablet, and a cover made of quite hard textile material for the pen. At first glance, the pen feels pretty good. It is light and elegant. The tablet is very light, portable, has a panel with a matte black finish, an active surface of 16.5 by 10.5 centimeters, and is large enough to make digital art in programs such as Lightroom, Sketchbook Pro, Photoshop, Illustrator, and many others. The tablet has a micro USB port for connecting to a desktop or laptop, and the 4 express keys at the top of the tablet are customizable. Let's not forget the pen. It has the highest passive technology, no need for battery or charging. On the pen, we find the 2 express programmable keys with which a single press transforms the pen into an eraser. Moreover, the multitude of pressure sensitivity levels, namely 8,192 levels, gives the user total control over the drawing. In terms of compatibility, the Gaomon S620 OSU is only compatible with Windows 7, 8, and 10, Android 6.0 or newer, and macOS 10.12 or later. The connection is very simple, just use the cable in the package. All you have to do is connect it to your computer and open a graphics program such as Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator. However, to customize the buttons on your tablet or pen, you will need to download software from the manufacturer's website. Here you can customize and put different short keys to make your use much easier. As I said earlier, in the box we find 2 adapters that we can use to connect to the phone. All you have to do is connect the USB adapter and open a graphics application on your phone. In conclusion, the Gaomon S620 is an affordable graphics tablet with a lot of potential. Its design and compact dimensions make it quite portable, and the ease with which it's configured is also an advantage, especially since it can be used on the phone. If you are interested in this graphics tablet, you can find the links in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. See you in the next video.